and back the Best in Talent Award.
May we call on our official tabulator during the talent presentation of our little Miss, Miss Angela Marie Balmas Zavala, to officially open the seal and reveal the Best in Talent Award.
Along with Mr. Nashley John Kaya.
Our little Miss Kabuinan, Best in Talent, with an average score of 83.3, is candidate number 2, Shari Faith Lerios. Shari Lerios will won the declamation of Palimos po. Congratulations to our Best in Talent. And that concludes our second set of awards. Candidates, you may now take your exit. Thank you so much, Ms. Angela Marie B. Zabala and Mr. Nashley John Kaya, for opening the Best